change Facebook page name. So to change your page name on Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on your Facebook. So after you open your Facebook, all you have to do now, tap on this menu at the top right side. After you tap on this menu, all you have to do now, tap on this arrow to switch to your Facebook page that you want to change the name. So as you can see now, here is my Facebook page. I already selected the Facebook page. So after you finish selecting your Facebook page, all you have to do now, scroll to down and tap on this section which says settings and privacy. After you open settings and privacy, go to settings again. Under this settings, all you have to do now, tap on this page settings. So tap on this name. So under this name, as you can see now, here is the option for you to change your Facebook page name. As you can see, here is the option now. So now all you have to do now, go ahead and type in your Facebook page name that you want to type. So after you finish changing your Facebook page name, tap on this review changes. But there is an option, there is a note that Facebook gives you, or warning that Facebook gives you. As you can see here, it says, please note, if you change your name on Facebook, you can't change it again for 60 days. So if you change your Facebook page name once, you must wait for 60 days before you change it again. So if you agree with this option, so you can go ahead and change your Facebook page name and tap on this review. That's it, guys. Hope this video helps you out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet in the next video.